Sir, kasi mahirap namin tanggapin yung parang tayo yung nakikiusap. Ano ba ang kailangan namin gawin para hindi naman tayo parang tayo ang nakikiusap? Sila ang kumikita, tayo ang nadidisgrasya. Kasi parang yung ating kultura yan eh. My brother Bernie, it's a culture of the Filipinos. We love talking. Chismoso ang Pilipino, gossips and everything. So this is being used against us. And another one, we are very political. This country is very political, and again, that is being used. And one of our culture also is gambling. This is all from the colonization of our country because, we are like, we are from the same, we are colonized by a lot of Western culture, and gambling, gossips, and all of this. So this is being used against us. So I'm asking our government agencies that we have to do something about it because it's destroying our country. We have troll armies in this country. Troll armies, they are being employed by PR firms, and then these PR firms are being paid by politicians, and they're doing all these things. So I hope you understand, my brother. This is not against Meta. This is not against Facebook. We are fighting among ourselves, and we are asking for help. So if ever we make laws that will maybe ban some kids of using Facebook or putting regulations, and I hope you understand, but we have to do something about it. Because we have kids committing suicide. We have kids destroying their eyes using the cell phones too much. We have kids not moving anymore. They're just sitting down there and doing. It's too much. Too much, my brother. I hope you understand. This is never against you. This is among ourselves. So, mga kapatid ko, tapusin na natin itong usapin ng fake news. Total, tayo ay sinusuportahan na rin ng ating presidente. Nagsalita na rin si Idol. Alam naman natin na maraming sumusunod sa ating mahal na senador Raffy Tulfo. At alam naman natin na anuman ang kulay namin sa politika, maging maka Marcos ka man, maging maka Duterte ka man, maging maka Dilaw ka man, maging maka Pink ka man, sapul kami lahat dito. So sana, pagtulungan na lang natin to na makagawa po tayo ng mga batas na kung kailangan natin mag-ban, kung kailangan natin mag-regulate, gawin na po natin. Kasi kung aasahan po natin yung Meta na tutulungan tayo kagyat, hindi po. Sinabi na po nila na dadaan tayo sa proseso. Medyo mahirap yung proseso na yun. Kailangan na po tayong kumilos. Sir?
Yeah.